Hello Flowly friends and welcome. Today's session is a beautiful combination of chair yoga and qigong. It is a session that is designed to help release tension and stress and just allow you to feel a little bit more calm within your body. It is important to move within your comfort range, so only ever do what you feel that you can. We are not looking for perfect here. So all you're going to need for this session is your beautiful self and a chair, something sturdy with no wheels. And so whenever you're ready, let's get started. Let's begin today's practice sitting nice and tall in the chair. Now, if you can, sitting forward, so away from the back of the chair. You want to be able to have a nice tall posture, but without the support of the back of the chair. So you're consciously being nice and tall here. Just rest your hands nice and gently on your lap, let your shoulders relax down, and then take a moment just to close your eyes. Just breathe naturally here and just start to pay attention to how you feel today. Just having a little check-in with what comes up with you today. No judgment, just notice whatever it is that you notice. So let's just do some slightly deeper breathing here. So we're going to take an inhale for the count of 4, and then we're going to exhale for the count of 6. And we're just going to do 3 simple rounds. So when you're ready, nice big inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then just allow your breath to gently return back to normal. Take a moment to just notice the weight of your body on the chair. And have another little check-in with how your body feels right now in this moment. And then whenever you're ready, just nice and gently blink open the eyes. So we're going to incorporate a little qigong in a moment, and the qigong philosophy simply is to invite energy to just move around the body. So that's what we're going to be kind of doing in this little simple practice today. Okay, let's just start with the wrists. Just pop your hands up in front of your chest, nice loose fingers, just slowly rotate your wrists. And we're not rushing it, just a few rotations. Keep breathing naturally. And then take those rotations the other way. Soft little movement. Perfect. So now we're going to spread the fingers nice and wide, take a nice big stretch, and then start to slowly, gently claw and bring the hand into a fist. So you just go really slowly, little squeeze, and then really slowly opening up. So really almost like you're just opening up a little flower here. And then slowly closing it up again. Little squeeze of the fist if you can. 2 more of those. Open nice and gently. And then just bring it in for the fist. Open one more time. And bring it in for the fist. Okay. Our little qigong now is called Raising the Sky. We're going to drop the arms down by our sides. Try and have your arms nice and loose here, nice and soft. So not kind of rigid arms. We just want to be nice and soft here. And just have your palms facing forward for a moment. Sit nice and tall, feet are nice and flat to the floor. Whenever you're ready, turn the palms towards the back of the chair and slowly on the inhale, start to raise the arms up. Fingertips are nice and loosely down, pointing down to the floor. Take the arms up, Let the palms face forward and then turn them outwards, and like you're parting the sky, slowly, gently float the arms out and down by your sides. Beautiful. Let's do that a few more times. So inhale, slowly take the arms up, inhaling all the way up. Perfect. Palms forward, then out to each side, part the sky, and slowly bring the arms down. See if you can find a little bit of rhythm with this, really marrying the movement with your breath. That inhale all the way up, and the exhale all the way down. Perfect. Imagine that you're water here. You're floating like water. And notice how this movement just brings a sense of calm to your body. And like I said, that is the QiGong philosophy, just inviting to move energy around the body. And because this brings this sense of calm, we're moving this sense of calm through our body. You might notice a little tingling in your fingertips or maybe in your arms or shoulders. And then as you reach the arms up, we're taking that lovely little stretch really gently through the upper body. Perfect. Let's just go 2 more little rounds here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, take it up. And exhale. Let your arms just relax down by your sides, relaxing hands and fingers. And take a moment just to notice how you feel. Breathing naturally. Perfect. Let's take some shoulder rolls now. So 3 nice big shoulder rolls, slow, rolling back, opening up your chest. You might notice a little squeeze of the shoulder blades. After that 3rd one, we're going to change the direction. So just let the shoulders relax down and then go back the other way. Nice and steady. Nice and slow. Lovely. 1 more roll. Drop the arms down. Make sure your spine is nice and tall. We're going to drop left ear to left shoulder. Close your eyes for a moment. Let arms and shoulders be nice and relaxed. And breathe deeply into this right side of your neck. Let it go. Wonderful. Take an inhale. Bring your head back to center. And then drop right ear to right shoulder. Wonderful. Take an inhale. Exhale. Perfect. Bring your head back to center. Let's go left ear, left shoulder. 1 full breath here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Let's bring the head up. And then 1 more time. Right ear, right shoulder. Inhaling deeply. Exhale. Let it go. Wonderful. Slowly bring your head back to center. Let's bring hands to the knees. Little yoga now for cat-cow. So inhale, chest comes forward. Little gaze up towards the sky. And what's nice about doing a seated cow pose is that you can press your hips quite far forward if it feels okay for your back. So you can press them forward. Make sure your shoulders are away from the ears. And then as we exhale, we slowly round the spine, pressing it towards the back of the chair, chin to chest. Perfect. Inhale, slowly come forwards. And exhale, rounding that spine, chin to chest. 2 more rounds. Inhale, we come forwards. And exhale, we round it out. Last round. Inhale, cow pose. And exhale, rounding it out. And then nice and gently just bring yourself into a nice tall spine. Let's take ourselves into a little side stretch. So we're going to take the left hand, it's going to hold onto the side of the chair, or you could place your hand on your hip or maybe on your lap if you prefer. Sweep the right arm up alongside your ear. And for a side stretch, I always like to just reach up that little bit higher alongside the ear, then take the little lean over to the left. Just lengthening out the side body, releasing a little stiffness or tension here. Breathe deeply. And exhale, nice and slowly, bring yourself back to center. Perfect. Switch sides. Right hand holds the chair or wherever you prefer. Sweep left arm up, reach, 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 and then take that little side stretch. Just trying your best to keep your arm alongside your ear. Notice how your side body feels. Take an inhale. Exhale. Lovely. Release. And let's go one more time each side. Right arm goes up. Take that little lean. You might feel you can go a little bit further this time. Breathe in. And exhale, release. And then other side. Left arm up and over. Reach, reach, reach. Breathe into that side body. And then exhale. We release. Perfect. Into a little twist now. So left hand is going to come to the outside of the right leg and really gently just twist the torso over to that right side. Your right hand can hold onto the back of the chair or side of the chair, wherever's comfortable. And then just take an inhale, find a little length here. And then exhale, just allow yourself to just settle. We're not taking it any deeper than this. We're just settling into this twisted position. Shoulders are relaxed. Belly goes soft, and just take a couple of breaths here. And then we're just going to breathe into the twist here. Notice where the deepest part of the twist is in your back and breathe there. Perfect. Whenever you're ready, take an inhale and really slowly unravel your spine back to center. Just resetting the spine, and then we switch in sides. Right hand comes to the outside of the left leg. Nice and slowly twist the torso. Any amount is good. Hold the chair with that left hand. Take an inhale, get long through your spine, and then exhale. Just allow the body to settle exactly where it is. Relax your shoulder. And just breathe again into the twist. Perfect. Whenever you're ready, nice deep inhale and slowly, gently unravel yourself back to center. Okay, so now we're going to sit forward on the chair just a little bit. We are going to interlace the fingers underneath the right thigh, so kind of the back of the knee, and we're just going to draw the knee in towards the chest. Now, all we're going to do in this position, you're going to keep your lower half of your leg nice and relaxed, but we're just going to do a little point and then a flex of the foot. A point and flex and point and flex. Lovely. Then nice and gently just do a couple of rotations of the ankle in one direction and then go the opposite way. Perfect. And then nice and gently drop your leg down. Switch sides, lift up left leg and then point the toes, and then we flex. So we're pressing the heel down towards the floor. That's the flex. Point down with the toes and then flex. Keep your spine nice and tall here. Couple more points and flexes. Point and flex. Perfect. Then go into the rotations, any direction. This is sometimes where you release that little bit of clicking or popping in the ankle or the foot. Let's go the other way. Perfect. Come to a little stop, just gently lower that leg down. And then we're going to take ourselves into a little forward fold. So we're going to slide the hands down the legs, lowering the torso over the top of the thighs. Let your head hang forwards here. Let your arms and shoulders be nice and loose. This is just gently going to stretch out your back, You're going to probably feel the blood rushing towards your head. Breathe naturally here. Perfect. And then if it's comfortable to do, just bring your arms around the backs of your legs and grab opposite elbows, almost like you're kind of folding your arms, and then just squeeze. So it's kind of like you're squeezing your thighs towards your chest that little bit more. So this is going to stretch out the low back that little bit more. If it doesn't feel good, just release those arms. Just stay in the forward fold for a couple more breaths. Otherwise, just give an active little squeeze here. Breathe into that stretch that you feel, back of the hips, low back. And this can be a really nice release if it feels okay for your back. Perfect. Let's release the arms. Hands come to the front of the legs. Inhale, slide yourself all the way back up into a seated position. Perfect. And then we're going to take the pat to the belly. And you can move outwards a little bit and come back in and take it out. So just staying in the position that you're in, we're going to do a little QiGong patting now, which is a really nice way to just wake up your circulation, but it's also a nice way to just kind of bring us into some stillness as well. So we're going to start with using the flat part of your palms. We're just going to have a little pat on top of the thighs. Perfect. And then we're just going to take that pat to the inside of the thighs. So then we're going to go up the arms. So we're going to cross the arms and we're going to pat all the way up to the shoulders. Take it all the way down and all the way up and all the way down. One more time. Perfect. And then just uncrossing the arms and we're going to pat the chest. And same again, you can go into the center. Makes my voice go funny. And then take them a little bit wider and then bring it in and then a bit wider and then bring it in. Come to a little stop and then just slide yourself all the way to the back of your chair so you're fully supported. And just resting your hands on your belly, start to turn your attention inward and notice how you feel here. You might notice the weight of your body against your chair. Or you may notice the sensations moving around your body right now. Those little fizzes and sparks are your qi, your life force energy moving around your body. You might notice you feel a little calmer, more relaxed. Or you may feel like your body has woken up a little, like you have a little bit more energy than you did. Whatever that feeling is, there's no right or wrong, just notice. And just be still with that feeling for the next few moments. Whenever you feel ready, just take a little wiggle of your fingers. You can rest your hands on your lap and then just sit up nice and tall. Let's take one last cleansing breath together. A nice deep inhale in through your nose and a nice big noisy sigh out. Gently blink open your eyes, and that brings us to the close of today's session. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this session, be sure to give me a like as it helps other people find my video. Leave me a little comment, let me know how you're feeling now, and please subscribe because 60% of people that watch my videos are not subscribed. Give me a little subscribe and then you'll always know when new content comes out from me. Have a lovely day and hope to see you soon.